Hey, what is up you guys? It's your boy Jason and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today I am here to give you guys a little trend report. So Pantone's color of 2019 is Living Coral. I am so excited to play with corals in 2019 because this trend is going to be all over Instagram. We have some amazing coral shades in the Manish Malhotra collection and we have some amazing lip colors in the Color Fusion. Wearing metallic eyes with neutral coral lips is going to be the next big trend of 2019. You just need to have an amazing metallic smoky eye or a metallic eyeshadow, the ones like we have in the Manish Malhotra palette. These colors, with just on your eyes, with a very defined eyeliner and a very neutral coral lip will get you ready for the night that you want to take over. So if you're a blush lover, you can play with all possible coral shades on your cheeks and on your lip. You can use a lot of lipsticks as your blush. You can have these full monochromatic looks like I've been saying in this entire video, which is going to be one of the most key trends of 2019. And we have a lot of coral content coming up for you guys, a lot of tutorials, a lot of fun videos. So don't forget to keep yourself hooked with us in all of our social media handles, our Instagram, our YouTube, our Facebook. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos and content.